My name's Evan Davies. I graduated from the University of Birmingham, having studied business management, and I finished that in 2018. After that, I worked various business-to-business sales jobs, both at startups and larger companies. I also started my own company, donhardware.com, which was a festival brand company. I found out about Alacti through a friend of a friend. I really wanted to be part of a startup that was globally scalable, so that's what was initially interesting to me about it. But I think it was really attractive because it compresses what would otherwise be loads of years into 15 months. So Intuitix is all about measuring the impact of innovation. So you've got these companies that are spending millions a year on innovation projects, but the legacy tools they're using don't quite capture the full impact of that innovation. So Intuitix automates that whole process and communicates that information to different stakeholders. Yeah, so the business has been growing since we've left. We started entering new markets, we've been onboarding new clients, and the product's developing at a faster pace than ever. We decided to expand our team and hire a new programmer. We thought because our product was so big that we needed someone who had more experience and someone who could generally support our team in that way. Hiring externally meant having to learn how to sell our business to a potential employee, whereas we'd usually been selling our business to potential clients or investors. So we really have to learn how to first describe what our culture is, describe the benefits of that, really sell to them working at a startup, things like flexibility, things like having control over your own devices essentially. And yeah, it became a case of, to get that person on board, we had to really sell them on the benefits of that as opposed to the product. So my biggest our biggest takeaway was the learning how to best work as a team, so our ways of working. I think that when we started, we didn't know how we best worked together. Everyone had different quirks and worked in different ways, but now we're at a point as a team where we know how each other works. So even when we are faced with setbacks, we can work through them in a way that's actually productive and not just going around in circles. So I'd say the best thing about being co-founder is that you have a lot of impact in terms of the decisions that you make. You know that's going to actually impact your company's future. So I think compared to especially in a corporate role where you can become a cog in a very big machine, in a startup, you know what you do and how you behave is going to have a direct impact on the business. So just as a little exclusive insight for you, we're looking at entering the water market in the following year. We're also looking to enter the public sector, especially bodies around distributing funding and grants.